Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. Today's video is about how to translate I look forward to in French. In this occasion, there is no direct translation, but there are several ways of saying the same thing in French. So let's have a look. Now let's start with spoken French, and there's two expressions you can use interchangeably. J'ai hâte de or il me tarde de. The expression il me tarde de is impersonal because it starts with the il and the il will never change. It's a bit like il faut. The bit you will change is the me. First example, j'ai hâte de revoir mes amis. Il me manque. J'ai hâte de revoir mes amis. Il me manque. I'm looking forward to seeing my friends again. I miss them. So here we've got another impersonal expressions, which is il me manque. They're missing to me. Il me tarde de partir en vacances. Il me tarde de partir en vacances. I'm looking forward to my holiday. On a hâte d'arriver. Le voyage est très long. On a hâte d'arriver. Le voyage est très long. We look forward to getting there. It's a very long trip. Now for the previous ones, you could also use je suis impatient de or je suis impatiente de if you're a lady. That's also spoken French. Je suis impatiente de voir ton spectacle. Je suis impatiente de voir ton spectacle. I look forward to seeing your show, or I can't wait to see your show. You see, you could have used j'ai hâte de voir ton spectacle, or il me tarde de voir ton spectacle. They all mean the same thing. Les enfants sont impatients d'aller chez leurs grands-parents. Les enfants sont impatients d'aller chez leurs grands-parents. The children can't wait to go to their grandparents. Charlotte est impatiente de rentrer. Charlotte est impatiente de rentrer. Charlotte can't wait to come home. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. And also take a look at my Parler Français Level 1 and 2 course. It's geared at people who want to learn conversational French at a basic to intermediate level, the fastest possible way. Now this next one is more common in written French, in letters that friends or family send to each other. J'attends something avec impatience. For instance, j'attends ta réponse avec impatience. J'attends ta réponse avec impatience. I look forward to your reply. Look, you could put that in an email as well. Mes parents attendent avec impatience qu'on quitte la maison. Mes parents attendent avec impatience qu'on quitte la maison. My parents look forward to us leaving home. Mon fils attend toujours le Père Noël avec impatience. Mon fils attend toujours le Père Noël avec impatience. My son always looks forward to Santa coming. Of course, you could also use j'espère, but j'espère means I hope. And that will be in written French as well. It's not something you would really say much. You would put at the bottom of an email or a letter, j'espère vous revoir bientôt, or j'espère te revoir bientôt, if you're more familiar. Which is, I look forward to seeing you again soon, or I hope to see you again soon. You see how it's the same, but only in this context. If you say j'espère que, I hope that, then that's only I hope, it's not I look forward to anymore. Now, if you write business letters or business emails, say to the tax office of some bureaucratic organization in France, you will use the expression dans l'attente de, plus the polite formula at the end. Let me show you what it looks like. Dans l'attente de votre réponse, je vous prie d'agréer, madame, mes salutations distinguées. Dans l'attente de votre réponse, je vous prie d'agréer, madame, mes salutations distinguées. Which means, I look forward to your reply, yours sincerely. So interestingly, the I look forward to your reply is dans l'attente de votre réponse, and the whole thing afterwards is yours sincerely. And you kind of have to put that in when you send an official letter, otherwise it's considered rude. Now you can, if you write an email, be slightly less formal and end with cordialement. But in doubt, use this formula. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed this video to support me. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.